go, boys. Let's go, boys. Come on. Line it up. We're gonna show us how it's all done. And the managers. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Go. Come on, Charles. We're waiting for Charles. Alright boys, all those on the stage, sit down or kneel down so we can do one at a time. It's only appropriate, we're going to start with the captain. Give me the captain in the middle. Where's the captain? Alright, brother, you're in the middle. Pedro, you got the captain, yes. The captain always lead by example. All the way, I believe all the way from Puka Puka. And by the way, you got the whole family. One, two, three, four, everybody's on the floor. Stand in the time, everyone day in the war. I see the moon and you see me. Big round of applause to the captain as he makes his way back to his chair. From the captain, we're going to go to the manager. The tallest man in the room, to the manager. Yes. Hey, Chicky, yes, they're right down the way there. Got him up, go way down low. Where are they on the call? I think you're right there. Hey, me, go. From the manager. We're going to go to the supporting stuff. Yes, Mr. Tohehede himself, representing Papa Toy. Captains, Etiki Yakelo down the way there. Come back the way now. Big round of applause for Mr. Tohehede himself. Ladies and gentlemen, from Hollywood, we go all the way to Totu. Haywood, Puputupoka. Alright, who we got next? Sorry boys if I don't get your names right. Alright my man, you're up. How do you want it? Slow? Slow? Nah, let's say slow. Hand my away in the kiroto. That's it, yesterday! Swing it to the left and swing to the right. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. He gave it all his heart. I like that. I like that. Who we got next? Who we got next? Anyway, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand for Nick. Nick. Come on! Alright, brother. I've seen you off to the stage just a few times, so make sure you go lower. Everybody get up on 15, that's your name. Everybody get up on 15, For those who don't know, this is a former dance champion. For what year, I'm not too sure. Ladies and gentlemen, that man himself, Mr. Vincent. Tiki yake raitano wende, kale mako wenano. Ladies and gentlemen, representing the Kala Sports Club, what's your name? Anyone? And the Indo Sports Club. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we've had enough for tonight. There's still more to come. But ladies and gentlemen, Hamas, Yanu no Danshu, the Haranahone Tomato Reo, the Tato and the Tato Ano, a Karako Eroko, no Owe to Purotu, no Noto de Kutikuti or Taramie, Eromoe, Turu, the Kawai, Turu, no lei che foto che hanno del Turo e la era che fatto che non dato passe e a formare foto fare quello no e to puro no foto che ci faccio piccola mai trovato le occhiale correro e te ma la e tu mu e mamaro e che la conta tia e che lo bobo guru Kiritio ayo